first, baseball is just a game. But for the Sports Science Bat Lab at Washington State University, baseball is a business.
The purpose of the Sports Science Lab is to be a service to the industry in testing bats and balls. So right now we're the exclusive testing facility for Amateur Softball Association, or ASA, as well as the NCAA baseball.
The engineers at the lab test to keep the game of baseball safe.
We essentially test and make sure the performance of the bat does not exceed a certain limit. If you have every person stepping up to the plate, being able to hit a home run because the bats perform so well, the game changes. It's not as fun anymore.
Bats are measured for the response between the barrel and the ball.
Hollow barrel produces what we call the trampoline effect. So if you jump on the ground, you can't jump very high. You jump on a trampoline, you can jump 20 feet in the air. That's exactly what's happening with the bat and ball.
By controlling the trampoline effect, the ball will not come off the bat as fast or travel as far. Instead of changing the bat standards again, they look at another piece of equipment that might increase offensive production.
One way to increase more home runs is just to increase the carry distance of the ball. And so what we did is we worked with the NCAA to develop a low stitch or a low seam ball.
Testing bats will still be a main focus for the lab, but they are starting to expand to new areas of research.
The future for my line of work is probably to get into more player protective equipment testing. So testing helmets, headgear, shin guards, other protective equipment. Bat and ball science has really tapered off quite a bit.
There is little known about this lab on the campus of Washington State University.
Most of the shock is that we're this tiny little lab down here in some dilapidated engineering building, and we're the only laboratory certifying bats for one of the industry's largest sports, baseball.
Oh, no. It doesn't matter how good of a bat you have if you can't hit the ball. From Around News 8, with videographer Gavin Cuddy, I'm Haley Oswald.